In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Google Playbooks with your family members. To start, open any browser on your computer and type Google Playbooks into the search box. From the results, click on the official Google Playbooks link to go to the site. Before you begin sharing, you should know that you must have already created a family library. If you haven't set one up yet, we have a complete step-by-step video guide on how to create a family group on Google Playbooks, so be sure to watch that first. Assuming your family library is already active, let's go over how to share your books with your family. First, click on your profile icon located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and click on the option labeled Family from here. Select Family Library Settings. Now you can adjust the settings for the type of content you want to share. Since we are focusing on books, click on the Content Type drop-down menu and select Books. Next, you'll be given two options for how books should be added to the family library. You can either choose Add Items Automatically, which means any book you purchase will instantly be shared with your family members, or you can choose Don't Add Automatically, which allows you to manually select which books to share. Pick the option that suits your preference and then click on Save. It's worth noting that from the same family menu, you can also manage family group members, but for this video, we will only focus on sharing books. Once the settings are saved, click on the Books option to go to your book collection. After that, click on the Library option to see all of the books currently in your account. To check whether a particular book has already been added to your family library, look for a small blue house icon on the corner of the book cover. If you see the icon, it means that book is already shared with your family. If the blue house icon does not appear, that book has not yet been shared. To add a book to your family library, click on the three-dot menu on the book. From the options that appear, click on Add to Family Library. Once you do this, the blue house icon will appear on the book, confirming that it has been successfully shared. You can repeat this process for all the books you want to share, and they will be added one by one to your family library. And that is how to share your Google Playbooks with your family members.